what's happened.
Okay, and this is the second letter we've delivered today. We've already served a letter to Portsmouth Magistrates Court prior to coming here. So this is a notice which we're serving today, and notice to agent is notice to principal, and notice to principal is notice to agent. And it is a notice of misconduct whilst in public office representing Portsmouth City Council. It is a notice to cease and desist all council tax enforcement with immediate effect. And as we have said, it's addressed to the Data Protection Officer, the CEO, David Williams, and the CEO, Natalie Brahma Pearl. And it is addressed to the Data Protection Officer. As several members of the Law Enforcement Alliance, having been summoned by Portsmouth City Council to attend Portsmouth Magistrates Court, firstly on the 12th of June 2023 and then on the 17th of August 2023 regarding non-payment of council tax, we demand all council tax enforcement cease with immediate effect for the following reasons. 1. It is our understanding that it was proven at the hearing of 17th of August 2023 before Judge Robinson that agents from Portsmouth Council Tax Enforcement Team, acting on behalf of Portsmouth City Council, have acted unlawfully by issuing summonses dated the 20th of June 2023 without signed authorisation by Magistrates Legal Team Manager Mark DeSalis until the 21st of June 2023. 2. We write to notify you of a serious data breach committed by a member of staff at Portsmouth City Council by way of an email which was not fully redacted and therefore revealed the identities of 6,000 residents whose summonses were also issued on the 20th of June 2023. As these approximately 6,000 summonses issued on the 20th of June 2023 are and were unlawful, we suggest that all enforcement, in whatever form that takes, ceases immediately and that all 6,000 persons be notified by you. We also request that the member of staff in employment at Portsmouth City Council who issued these summonses in error admit their mistake to all persons concerned. It is also not for Portsmouth City Council to issue court summonses, but for the court concerned, in this case Portsmouth Magistrates Court, thus making these summonses twice as unlawful. We are also concerned that there is a pattern of illegal activity agreed between Portsmouth City Council and Portsmouth Magistrates Court over several months or possibly even years. And this is without frivolity or vexation. And we are some of the members of the Law Enforcement Alliance.
Okay.
Exposing this.
Okay.
Okay, so do you want to read?
You can. There's several copies if you want several copies, or
Okay.
just want one.
So what I need to do is to go and speak to somebody from one of the managers from the council tax department.
And,
Well, that's what we asked for.
and liaise with the.
Yeah, obviously they're at home. We all mainly
Mrs.
work
Allen,
from home.
Well, I know Mrs. Allen
Yes.
personally. I taught her son and daughter to drive.
Right. Okay.
So I do know it personally.
Yeah. So it may be that we may not be able to take advice from her.
Okay.
Obviously
Well, I
we
think
don't
we're going to have
want
to speak to the data person who runs the council. Whoever that is.
Yes. And I know that they all work from home as well.
Okay,
Work from
perfect.
different offices.
So just to put you into a position so that we're all on the same level
Yeah,
playing
yeah,
field, we went to the Magistrates Court just now
Okay.
and we served them a separate letter.
Okay.
But the content's the same.
Okay.
But it does bring their actions in regard to your actions into unlawfulness and perhaps illegalness,
Okay.
which we are also stated to them just now. We
Yeah.
are reporting the matter to the police.
Okay.
Because on the 20th, on the 12th of July 2023, 6,000 summonses were issued in under an hour, and the persons that were attending were told not to attend
Okay.
by various means, by your answering service and on the letters coming from the council, which pocketed the council, if that's the correct term, £750,000 in costs. That should never be happening. You should not be informing people not to attend if they've been summoned. If you issue a summons to a person, or the Magistrates Court issues a summons to a person, they are summoned.
Yeah.
So therefore they should be attending. It's not for the council to say that you are not to attend. because that pockets the council, if that's the correct terminology, £125 in legal costs, which the people wouldn't normally have.
Are you happy that we go and...
Absolutely, you do whatever you've got to do.
Right, okay.
Are you coming back, or are you just...
Hold on. Right, okay, so we do, that Peter, Balfe, Natasha Edmonds and corporate communications are all aware of this,
perfect.
yeah?
Yep.
Okay, so we need to get hold of corporate communications to let them know that you are here.
Yeah.
Okay, so are you all right?
Does that mean they want us to stay just now?
Yeah,
No, perfect.
sounds
That's
that
fine.
way.
Yeah, perfect.
So I'm gonna nip upstairs and make, because we don't have phones on the desk now. Literally,
Yeah,
they're
we
all.
used to,
I know.
Why is that?
Because they're all. We all literally we did used to have phones, didn't we?
we did, yeah.
But where it's all just we just use our laptops now. So obviously we need to make sure that we get hold of the right people. So if you're happy to stay
Where
here,
do you, I know you can't give me a specific time, is it half an hour?
I'm going to run upstairs and make the phone calls
Well,
now.
it's not going to be hours, is
Oh,
it?
no.
It's going to be 30, 40 minutes.
No, and it says that they're aware that. Does it say that they're aware that you're here? Yeah.
They're aware.
So the magistrates court must have let them know.
Yeah.
Oh, and the other thing that I want to, just to make you fully aware of, I have started contacting the 6,000 people on the list, but not giving them the list.
Okay.
I'm keeping the list. No, I've already done that all that. Yeah.
So they.
Yeah, but that's not a crime. This is an actual crime. That's a data breach.
All I'm saying is that I use these people.
Ah, yeah, I know that's a data breach. Which,
Are they aware of it?
well, I have made the people who have been breached aware to contact those people, because I'm not contacting on behalf of 6,000 people.
No, I get that.
So I would imagine they'll have to get 6,000 individual complaints, or a lawyer would have to do a bulk breach.
A good thing.
Oh yeah, I understand that. Yeah, I've done that before, but I'm more interested in the criminal act of what they did rather than the data breach.
My colleague will take that.
Yeah, because my data hasn't been breached, funnily enough.
Yours?
So
Yep.
yours hasn't.
No, because I asked for the information.
Yeah, so they.
So the other 509 in.
Everybody else's.
Names?
I've got names, dates of birth, addresses, council tax information, how much they owe.
Wow.
Yeah, I've got everything. You can see the whole lot. Oh, it's massive.
huge.
It is massive.
Very much so.
It's in the region of 12 million to 24 million I worked out at. Yeah, it's not little money.
This is serious fraud, like, yeah.
Is this people that owe their council claiming owe money? Or?
Yes.
Right.
So there's 6,000 people in Portsmouth on the 20th of June hadn't paid their council tax.
And they've shared that information with you?
They've shared
Yeah.
the whole lot. I can see names, addresses, middle names. I could have sold the list to a credit card fraudster and he could be having an absolute ball in Torremolinos. Or maybe further afield if he fancied going further afield. Oh, it's massive. It's,
You guys don't really set a limit on the fines they can...
well, we now know it's between 12 million and 24 million. And that's why I need to see a senior officer, because this is not little.
Oh, sorry, keep
No,
going.
you said what you were going to say.
Yeah, my colleague will take the report,
Yeah,
as much detail as we can.
yeah,
You get sent to our investigation department and they make contact with
perfect.
you. And then at that point, statements are taken.
Perfect, because I've got all the correspondence plus 1,047 pages of people's names, dates of birth, addresses, everything. I can see the whole lot.
That's so safe.
Oh, I'm not going to lose it. It's on my computer. And they even sent me additional information that I didn't require, and it was all unredacted. If someone in that magistrates court's made an absolute
It wasn't, it was the court council.
8866, and there'll probably be a big red flag then saying don't speak to him because he's trouble. Don't speak to him, he's annoying.
Thank you. Right.
Portsmouth City Council.
And Portsmouth Magistrates Court.
Perfect.
just to make a t-shirt.
Is it? Oh, okay. I do like to try and stay current.
Right, so
Yeah, well, non-payment of council tax, if that's the way they stipulate it.
pop in when I got an email to prove that the car was insured.
It's non-payment. Some people have paid nothing, some people have paid some people paid a little bit and then gave up. There's multiple different reasons why people didn't.
Well, no, really,
Or managed to get their name on the list.
Business, so I could take part away on that insurance. But I just still wanted to bring in.
As well.
No, it won't be an overpayment. Nobody's ever going to overpay. It's either non-payment or part payment, I would say. So non-payment, part payment.
So the whole story is.
Yeah, nobody's ever going to give the council too much. They've got enough.
And then we called the police because it was a part harm and we wanted to notify them. And then when they get the insurance,
So this is your car?
Yeah.
Right. Thank you. So you've been reported from those?
So
who's
so my wife went to the back of someone.
Oh, she's right, is she?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Like that's the email to say that
Beautiful.
this was insured.
Thank you.
Can't you get a statement today while we're here?
She is. This is my statement. Not a statement. They'll come to my house to take an official statement, I would think.
It says they've adjusted it today.
It was previously insured though. So like the police officer said, she come up and they'll number plate.
Oh, is it?
It's personal.
It's sent via email.
Sorry?
Via emails that all of this was sent to you.
Oh, via email, yes.
The original one, email.
Really?
No. I've got a fleet policy with like 7 vehicles on. And out of all of them, that was the one that went for all the other 6 and the policy hadn't come up now.
How bizarre.
So,
Was it lost? Do you think it's being transferred?
I'm not sure.
So,
But I showed them my policy, but they said that you could have that, so that's why I asked.
So Robin's going to get a ticket for some.
Yeah.
This goes
Oh,
off
okay.
and out and about.
Ah, right, okay.
So hang on to that.
Yeah.
Because we won't do it.
How many names roughly were on the list?
6,000.
12.
And an additional.
And 12 on it.
Sorry again?
6,012.
Oh well, technically it's 6,000 on the main list and 12 separate ones that I didn't ask for. So it's 6,012. If you want to be specific. I think 6,000 is quite scary enough.
Yeah, I'll leave it to 6.
Without adding the 12 on,
He said to pop
I think
in.
they're in enough trouble.
Yeah.
Cool, I'll do that then.
Police are not going to issue those, but not
Deal
really.
with
Not
it.
the background. That's great.
Perfect, thank
No
you.
problem.
Cheers, see you later.
Hello there. Hello there.
I've been in here before because I've training something here before, so you may run.
Yes, that's right. That's right.
That was once, and that was like 4 years ago.
I'm going to put it there. That's my wife, okay.
That's a good thing, yeah.
How can I help you?
All it is a click. So, parents' phone,
Yeah.
we're worried that
And
there could
the
be
amount
what's happening
that you kind of worked out to be that they,
Right.
is it that they've taken from people? Or-
Well, they haven't taken it all, no, because I've not paid them a penny because I found out there was fraud being committed, so I didn't pay it. So I would imagine, say, half of those people haven't paid, but it's just a guesstimate. But I would say in the region of 12 million to 24 million, because most people on the list had approximately £2,000 in arrears. But there were companies on there that had 16, 17, 18,000 pounds in council tax arrears that they've not paid either. So the sum could be quite flexible. But it's definitely in the region of 12 million.
Yeah, so basically, he's sent through the.
So is that technically what they've taken from people?
Well, no, they can't take it unless you give it. It's what they've requested from people. But people have not necessarily paid it, like I haven't.
And it's come up, and then there's also like a picture that was sent through as well of like car in front of my property and stuff like that. So it's all to do with what's called online stalking happening. So yeah.
When did that come, is this
That's
new,
not,
this bit?
no.
This
So
bit's not been
that's,
added to the,
no, so that's all added on there, that's all there, so
So
all
that's
that's
there, but you-
already there.
have you added that onto the report?
Yes,
Yeah,
yeah, so
so
the
we're aware
report,
of that.
yeah, so
Right,
everything's there, so
okay.
it's just really to see if there is anything on her phone, because at the moment, currently, what we've done is,
Yeah.
you know, we've got like another phone, but it's just like a little, just, you know, like a cheap, yeah, basically, just so that she can use something, because obviously we're worried that if there's anything on that, but obviously this is our main phone, so she wants to go get back to using phone.
Very upsetting, I'll investigate.
Thank you.
Because they do interrogate phones a lot as part of evidence.
Yeah.
So they're aware of that, and you've got screenshots of that.
Yeah, so it's all been reported through, so I have got a report, I've got a current reference number if you need that, just so you can check.
I won't, but
To make sure.
we have
Yeah.
phone interrogators
Yeah.
in the building, so I don't know if it's
Yeah.
something we do here or has to be sent away for that, which
Right.
means that you'd have to sign that over, so.
Look, she's got that, like,
I've never touched them.
Do you need my contact telephone number?
That in a moment.
It should all be on there, I would imagine. Because I have made 1 or 2 calls in the past.
Don't give it out on video.
What's that?
Don't give it out on video.
Oh, the lady will have it.
Yeah, cool.
Do any of your staff know if they can identify if any trackers have been
So it's
inserted
the
onto
council,
their
isn't it?
phone?
So the courts have released the names and stuff.
No,
The council sent it through to the courts.
the council send it to the court.
Yeah.
The court are supposed to take a day to go through the information and make sure that they're happy that the liability orders are due.
Yeah.
But the council didn't wait for the court to do that. They just sent the liability orders without the signatures.
So what's that?
And then the council told people not to come. They weren't required to attend. And when you didn't attend, the court then found costs against the people of £125 per person. And that's why the council made £750,000 within an hour.
I have with them somebody at least, yeah, but not with you, yeah. I'm sure it can really.
Their accent is difficult, isn't it? I find it's so strong, so strong. Right, I'm going to wheel upstairs, like sexy.
Yeah.
Digital something investigation.
Okay.
I'm not asking for something if
Okay.
they don't, then
So we could probably have a,
get
okay.
it shared, so that'd be great. Bear with me.
Perfect,
Okay.
thank you.
Hi, how are you? Good.
I might have to put that on the thing as well.
For your end of your mobile number.
Yes. Yeah, that's perfect, yeah.
I've got another one for you. 870.
That's my wife's.
That's your wife's.
But they both are still active.
Oh, okay. So you, yeah.
Yeah.
And then your email. Oh,
Yeah, that's it.
Perfect.
So can you also record that I have a audio recording of the council telling people not to come?
Do you?
Yes. And I also have it in written correspondence for the council saying you've been summoned but you don't have to come, which is beyond rude.
Audio recording from the council, yeah?
Yeah. And the paperwork that states you don't have to come has also been council paperwork, not court paperwork.
well, and you can forward the reports that they sent
They've both been made fully aware today in writing by me. Yeah.
Okay, this is the crime reference number for you.
Crime reference number?
Yeah.
Not an inquiry number.
No, it's a crime reference.
It's a crime reference number.
So read that out, Rob.
It's a crime reference.
It's 442303534040.
Okay, so that is the reference number for you.
Yeah.
This instant.
Yeah.
I will finish it all off.
Yeah.
I will then send it across to our investigations department.
Yep.
They will then look into it.
Yep.
And they will be in contact with you from there.
Perfect. And just for the tape, can I ask your name and badge number?
It's 14801.
14801. Perfect. And can I just ask your first name?
We don't give those our shoulder numbers briefly reeled up.
Okay, perfect.
That's the best way.
Okay.
All right, so you've got all of that.
Yeah.
I've put on there that you've got a large folder full of all
Well,
the
that's just a little bit. I've got another 1,047 pages if they want it.
on the about, type them to there, okay?
Yeah.
So it's just going to go through to the other department, they will look at it, and then from now, as soon as I press send, it goes out of my hand,
Yeah.
and it goes to the other department.
Perfect.
Okay.
So will it still remain in this building?
Stay within Hampshire.
Well, within Hampshire, please. Okay, thank you very much.
If you get any further information from them,
Yeah.
then obviously please do let us know.
Okay.
You've got your crime reference number.
Yeah.
So what you can do.
I can log on the online system. Yeah.
Hampshire website.
Yeah.
Just fill out an inquiry to us, say link to this incident.
I can do the update thing. I've done it before.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Fantastic.
All right.
Okay, thank you
Thank you very much for your time. You've been
Thanks for
very
being
professional.
professional. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it. Thank you.